Do you want to get nosy and see what's in my trash bin? Kind of makeup stuff and lifestyle stuff. So if you're interested, stay tuned and subscribe down below. Today I am wearing a nude pink, not a nude peach, a nude pink lipstick. And it is the Maybelline Matte Inks. It's in Loyalist. And I also put a NYX pencil in beige. And then I put a White Russian by Buxom Beauty. So I think this is a good nude pink if you're interested in a nude pink. If you don't want just a nude beige, because that maybe it'll make you look dead, a nude pink will give you a little oomph. And it's kind of a warm pink, which I like. So what else did I want to tell you? Okay, first I'm going to show you this cereal that I really like. Hershey's Kisses, and I mix it with my brand cereals. I just put a few of these in so I get a little sweetness too, and I get my fiber from all the other cereals. Actually, fiber wise, this has 2. Okay, but it's got a lot of vitamins. Hershey's, the perfect couple, milk and chocolate. It does have a lot of vitamins in it too, and it's got 1.5 fat, 12 sugars per cup. It's really good. I like this. Another cereal that I tried, and it's kind of funny. It's like Poop Like a Champion. And I bought it because I thought it was funny, and then I wound up using the whole thing. And they're tiny little stars, and they've got 16 grams of fiber in a half a cup. 2 proteins, 2 sugars, 1 fat. It's really good. I wouldn't just eat this. I would do a combo, this with another cereal. I've been enjoying these L'Oreal Root Rescues, Magic Root Rescue, for a quick touch-up. It only takes 10 minutes. And yes, I do use blonde. Yes, I do use blonde. I use dark blonde. I use lightest brown. And I still get dark. This, I must thank my friend Monika, Beauty and Lifestyle. Her and her husband swear by this for their aches and pains. And I take 1 scoop. It says 2 scoops, but I'm trying to make it last because it's like $24. I take 1 scoop in the morning. I put it in a small espresso cup of milk. I microwave the milk. I put a tiny bit of decaf coffee, and I put a whole scoop of this in. And let me tell you, my nails are so long. Well, maybe not long for you. Maybe you may not think they're long, but they're long for me. But I could file these at night, and the next morning they're long again when I take this. Especially when I take 2 scoops. This is really worth trying. I'll put Monika's link down below. I'll put this link down below. This is so good for you. It supports joint health, digestive health, post-workout recovery, healthier, hydrated skin, fuller hair, stronger nails, and more restful sleep. Our collagen is made of 1 simple ingredient, a pure protein dietary supplement with a unique combo of beneficial amino acids. It is nearly tasteless, but I have to say I can only drink it in a milk, a warm milk with coffee, a little sugar, a little monk sugar, and because I do taste a little if I don't do that. If I put it in like tea, just hot water with a little tea bag, I can taste a little bit of that protein, which I don't like. But if you put it in the tiniest amount of milk, because you only need to take 3 gulps, like a shot. Really, that's what you want to take. So I heat the milk up with a little decaf coffee, a little monk sugar, and a scoop of this, and I take a shot. And it's much better than having to drink the whole cup, you know. But this stuff works. I mean, my nails have grown past the skin because of this. Now, this is something else I put in that shot in the morning. And I make it the smallest shot. So you could take like 2 gulps and you're done. Instead of, I used to make like a mug full of coffee or tea, and then I'd have to drink the whole thing. But if you just make it a shot, it's perfect. You take the old-fashioned cups that we used to drink coffee in, the tiny little cups, and I put 2 scoops of this, and this is a fiber that will keep you regulated. And believe me, you need that, you want it. There's a long way to go in those intestines, and you need everything to be pushed out. And now, the reason I like this is it's cheaper than Bene fiber, and also it's non-thickening and gluten-free. But the non-thickening is the reason why I get it, because I don't want to choke on the fiber. You know what I mean? I don't want you to choke. So this is a prebiotic fiber supplement, sugar-free, taste-free. It is. You could put this in anything. This supports the good bacteria in your gut, supporting an environment of good digestive health. What's good for your gut is good for you. And I have 2 empty ones. That's how long I haven't done this. And I have to save the scooper. I like the scoopers. Oh, here's my melatonin, the time-released one by Natrol. Love it. It's helped me out so much. I don't have insomnia anymore. This one is another good one. Now, I'm very, very super big on protein. It's the only thing that keeps me functioning. I am hypoglycemic. If my sugar drops too low, I start shaking, vomiting, you name it. But if my protein levels and my sugar levels are up, I feel good. So this you could buy right in your supermarket. It's Kellogg's Special K, 15 grams of protein for 1 1/3 cup. Wow. And it's got a touch of cinnamon. It's lightly sweetened wheat, rice, and soy flakes. It's got magnesium, calcium, vitamin D, and complete protein. I can't recommend this enough. And this I use in a lactate-free milk, which I am lactose intolerant. There's so many things wrong with me. And this is so good for you. So good. Okay, I love this simple foaming cleanser. It's great. It makes you feel good. It's fun. The foam, it goes all over your face. I love it. And that you get in Target. This is what I use to lighten my hair. L'Oreal Wild Ombre Brush On Ombre Effect. I don't do the ombre. I do highlights with this. See? So what I do is just willy-nilly go like this. I leave it on for the required amount of time. I take it off, and I've got light highlights. This is great by FERIA. We've got CUROLOGY like crazy. This is the 4% niacinamide, 0.01 TRETINOIN, and 2% azelaic acid. This is the formulation that they made up for me. And I have been using this for almost 2 years, and I have not seen my face droop or get worse in the past few years since I started TRETINOIN. And I started TRETINOIN 3 or 4 years ago. Big difference. Miraculous product. If you could try it, ask your doctor, your dermatologist to give you a prescription, and then if he thinks that you could use it, you could get it cheap online. I'll put Good RX, I think that's the website that you can get these. You can get TRETINOIN really cheap. But if you want to try CUROLOGY, they make a whole beauty regimen for you. They send it to you every month. It's fabulous. You speak to a dermatologist, and that's free. And then they make up a formula for you. This formula has worked amazing. I'm very happy with the results. So what else we have? We have a Maybelline eraser, instant age rewind. Swear by it, love it. I use the neutralizer, I use the medium, I use the dark, and I've used the light pale. Depends where I want to put it, but I can do contour with the dark, and I can do highlights, and I can do concealer. It's fabulous, fabulous. Been using that for years. And it's light diffusing, and it doesn't go in your wrinkles. It doesn't settle into your lines. It's the best concealer I've ever tried. I use it. with the sponge. And if I get skeevy, I just rinse it in hot water and soap and hot water and let it dry, and then the cap is back on. But I'm okay with it. I love this. I will always have this in my house. It's the CVS oil-free eye makeup remover. We have other companies that make it too. They have Equate makes a brand of this. This is a spin-off on the Neutrogena. And this takes your makeup off. You can use this to take all your makeup off. You could put this on a cotton pad and take all your makeup off, which I don't know if you've ever tried that, because probably you just used it for your eyes. But I started using this for my whole face, and it works. It's just perfect. This is the cleanser by Curology. You massage it onto a damp face, and then you rinse it off. Well, I use my little face washing machine, and I go all over like that. And then I use a toothbrush for the nose, which is my newest tip. Save a toothbrush. Also, save an old toothbrush, but you could buy one at the Dollar Tree, a charcoal soft toothbrush. And if you use that on your nose, you can get rid of blackheads, blemishes, and clogged pores, because the nose is harder to do. I think the face is easier to do with the machines and the washcloths, but the toothbrush is such a good tip. This is my absolute favorite of all time. FERIA. I've been telling you this for 7 years. This will get tangles out, soften your hair, smooth your hair instantly. You put it on and you can take it right off. And it works great. This is exactly what they use inside the FERIA hair dye boxes. But then about 10 years ago or more, they started marketing it separately, and I think it's the best, absolutely the best. And I've tried others. I try Aussie Moist. Nothing does what this does. This is my Damn Girl by Too Faced. Absolutely love this. It's the most amazing mascara, and I buy it in the small one, so it's not expensive. And now I have been switching off because I need to try different ones so I can tell you about it. But I am loving the Purple Essence mascara. Absolutely. I think this is $10 or $12 for the little one, but then you throw it out after 3 months. It's perfect. This is the Damn Girl. Okay. Oh, this is going to feel really good getting rid of this trash. I've got a couple of this Root Magic. This is the dark blonde, and this is the dark blonde, and this is the dark blonde by Calcium Citrate Petites. Now, something that no one will tell you is that calcium comes in different kinds. There's calcitrate and there's citrate. If you're nauseous from taking your calcium pills, throw them out and get this. Citrate, calcium citrate, and petites. They're easier to take, they don't make you nauseous, and you can take it on an empty stomach. Did a doctor tell me? No. Did a druggist tell me? No. Did any friends tell me? Nobody told me. Years of doing research, I found this myself. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's another cleanser. Oh, I have been saving my garbage up for you. 3 cleansers. Oh, this is really good. I got this in a Korean store. This is honey butter chips. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious. It's made with real honey. Such a delicious chip. Yummy. This is the Method Daily Shower. There's no scrubbing in my house because I either use my power washer sink, or I use my steamer, where you steam things and then you just wipe. Steam and wipe, no scrubbing. And then this, no scrubbing. And I found some videos on YouTube where people are using this for their kids' bathrooms, for their bathrooms, in the shower. You don't have to scrub. You spray this after every shower and your tiles are clean. Now, this is what I used recently to turn my hair a little redder. This was really good. I have to get this again. This is the Revlon Clean and Vegan Nourishing Cream Shampoo, Cream Formula, Light Auburn 6R. Very good. After I lighten and lighten and lighten my hair, I've got all these blonde, and I want it really, I really want a light auburn color. So then I put this. I'm going to end this video now, and I will give you another peek into my trash another day. And I appreciate you all for watching. And remember, I'm praying for you. Let's pray for the world. And I hope it helps. I love you all.